Hi, I'm Chef Hana from 𝐿𝑜𝑎𝑓 Gourmet. Today I'm going to introduce you to the 𝐿𝑜𝑎𝑓 Gourmet Healthy Bread Maker. I will show you how easy it is to make your own homemade bread with the 𝐿𝑜𝑎𝑓 Gourmet Healthy Bread Maker in the comfort of your own home. I will share with you a simple dry fruit loaf recipe that you can share with your friends and family this holiday season. The ingredients we need will be some warm water, 1 egg, salt, some golden sultanas, some black raisins, softened butter, some milk powder, brown sugar, instant yeast, and bread flour. Before we start making our bread, first you want to unlock the bowl from the unit and secure in the paddle. First, we'll add in the warm water, some salt, 1 egg, our softened butter, milk powder, brown sugar, our golden sultanas, all our bread flour, and lastly our dry yeast. Now that all of our ingredients are in, all we need to do is secure the bowl into the main unit. Turn it to lock it in place. Cover the lid. Okay, to set the function, we will be using sweet, which is function number 2. All I'm going to do is press menu, and the screen is going to show 2. So if I want to adjust the crust of my loaf, all I need to do is press color. Okay, if I want it a bit more white, it should land on light. If I want it brown, it should land on medium. If I want it really dark, then I will set it to dark. So today I want it at medium, so we'll leave it at medium and we will start. Now our bread is mixing and it will bake on its own. So we just need to come back in 3 hours and 45 minutes and our dry fruit loaf will be ready. And our dry fruit loaf is ready. So make sure to use either oven mitts or a piece of dry cloth because our inner bowl is going to be very hot. Unlock it. And you can just slide it out. Now let's cut into our delicious dried fruit roll. With the 𝐿𝑜𝑎𝑓 Gourmet Healthy Bread Maker, you can get your own fluffy, delicious bread in just 3 hours and 45 minutes in the comfort of your own home. So all you need to do is spend 8,000 ringgit and above at any one-card outlets and redeem one 𝐿𝑜𝑎𝑓 Gourmet Healthy Bread Maker worth 599 ringgit. Now I will share with you a second recipe that can be easily be made in the 𝐿𝑜𝑎𝑓 Gourmet Healthy Bread Maker, which is chicken floss. So we have some chicken fillet here, some brown sugar, some vegetable oil, sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some salt. Now we're going to add all our ingredients into the inner pot. So we have our chicken strips, our vegetable oil, brown sugar, sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some salt. Right now we're going to lock the bowl in the main unit. Okay, close the lid and we're going to go for the meat floss function. So press the menu button until it goes to number 6 and we will start the function. So the unit is going to cook and shred our chicken pieces until it becomes the consistency of chicken floss. In less than 2 hours, our chicken floss is ready. There's no need to spend hours at the stove. The 𝐷𝑟𝑖𝑡 Healthy Bread Maker makes the chicken floss for you. Spend 8,000 ringgit and above at any one card outlets to redeem one 𝐷𝑟𝑖𝑡 Healthy Bread Maker worth 599 ringgit.